Hi folks, this vacuum is a vintage Eureka Beaumark vacuum. It was rebadged Beaumark for the Canadian department store, the Hudson Bay Company. Take a look at the name on there. Got your dial on that. Up on the bag, Beaumark. This vac had a tough life. Somebody's replaced the power cord there with some electrical tape. It was really filthy when I got it, but I've given it a quick clean. Still not very good. Probably won't do any more with it. But you hear how it runs. Power switch on the body. Oh, I forgot to say this is a plastic-based machine with a metal cover on the top.